I think developers are massively overcomplicating task management, and honestly, it's making people less productive, not more. Let me show you what I mean. If you've ever tried to use tools like Notion, Jira, ClickUp, or any big productivity app, you know what happens. Before you even add a task, you're setting up workspaces, views, tags, priorities, statuses, templates. By the time you're done setting up the system, you're already tired. Look at this. To add one simple task, you're asked about priority, status, category, sprint, assignee, due date, parent task, subtask. But in real life, your brain works like this. I need to do this today, that's it. Everything else is friction. This is what I've built to make my life easier. And honestly, it might make yours easier too. So let me show you from the beginning. I'm building a workspace using AI where I'm creating multiple tools in one place. Think of it like an ecosystem where you can find everything in one place. Today, let's focus on the daily task manager. This has been working really well for me so far. I've already added some tasks here. Let me add one more for you. You just need to enter a task title. Notes are optional, but you can add more details if you want. Let's add something and click Add Task. As soon as I do that, the task appears here in the table below. You can see it right here. Now let's talk about the features I've built. First, there's a drag option. So you can drag your tasks up and down and place them in any order you want. You can also change the status, not started, in progress, or done. I don't think I need to explain that part. You already know how that works. Now let's talk about the action buttons here. The first one is View Details. When you click it, you'll see the full details of that task in a modal like this. You can edit everything from here, the title, the notes, and the status. And then just click Save. You can also edit the task directly from here. It's the same thing. Now, one of the core features is this push button. When you click Push to Tomorrow, the task moves to tomorrow's list. You can click this button here to switch to tomorrow, and you'll see the task right there. Isn't that cool? Then this is the duplicate option. It simply makes a copy of the entire task and adds it again below. And of course, this is delete. You can delete any task from here. Now let's talk about the filter options. First, there's search, where you can search for any task. Then there's the status filter, where you can filter tasks based on their status. Then you can export your tasks in 3 formats: PDF, CSV, and Excel. Let me click on CSV for now. It will download your tasks as a CSV file. Now this is an important feature. If you want to use your tasks on another browser or another machine, you can export and import them from here. You just export your tasks from here. And on another browser or another computer, you import them there. That's it. All your tasks will be added to that machine. There's also a bulk status option. You can select all tasks or only some tasks and change their status in bulk. And finally, there's the clear all tasks option. You can clear all your tasks at once from here. There's also a recycle bin. If you delete anything, it will appear in the recycle bin table. So if you delete a task by mistake, you'll see it here like this. From here, you can either move it back to today or permanently delete it. So yeah, that's it. This was the in-depth demo of this simple task manager. If you have an idea for a feature, comment it. I read everything. If you're a developer and want the code base, just comment code. And if you're tired of overcomplicated tools, you're not alone. Thanks for watching.